You won't believe the prompt I just found. We all grew up loving anime, right? Now this prompt turns your photo into a stunning anime-style character. Gorgeous, high quality, like a real wallpaper you actually want. I made this completely free. As you can see, I've made this one with the Chatgpt. Although if you're happy with the Gemini as well, you can use the Gemini. You can try actually both of them. Try with the Chatgpt and Gemini and check what's the result. You can also let me know which one you were more happy with them. Well, where is the prompt now? All you have to do is check the comment below this video to get the prompt or take a screenshot by pausing the clip. If you need to know how to use the screenshots, check my first video. Subscribe so you don't lose me.